How you doing, and welcome to the channel. Here's another great deal. Ridgid 18 volt octane brushless cordless, obviously cordless, half-inch mid torque impact wrench kit with one subcompact 4.0 battery and charger, and a bag, obviously $159, regularly $227. So savings of $68. If you want it, you can have it shipped to your store or shipped to your house for free. Doesn't say how many are left in stock. Short is enough. Anyway, here's the model number, RH6 011KSB2N. And here's the model number for my last video I did. I forgot to include that in there. Wasn't smart. RH6239SB. Anyway, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Link for this deal will be in the description as well.